Hello, I'm Brad Gapp with Hansen Technologies, and today I'd like to discuss a common question we get asked involving valve specifications, which include temperature and pressure limits, installation dimensions, and PM kits to rebuild the valve. The good news is all of these are located on the same spot, which is the product bulletin located on our website at www.hantech.com. So from the home page, we click on the Products tab, and we're going to look at the heavy-duty HS4 solenoid. So we go to that solenoid valve family, click the HS4A. On the HS4A page, you'll find a couple different things. You'll find a current product bulletin, and you find archive product bulletins for older valves. So looking at the current product bulletin for the HS4A, on the first couple pages, you'll find the specifications. Secondly, you'll find the installation dimensions. And towards the end, you'll find the part breakdown and PM kits. Now you also might have noticed on the HS4A page, there is a button for rebuild kits. This is a quick reference for PM kits that are commonly used to rebuild a valve. That was a quick step through on how to find valve specifications. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact customer service.